We got Sean, you know him.
No way.
Fuck's sake, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are down here at the Freedom Factory right now in Florida for the Freedom 500 and Burnout Rivals. Gates just opened up right now. We got drivers doing meet and greets. We got all the Crown Vics lined up. It's gonna be an absolute blast out here. Let's show you some of the cars that are here. You just keep getting younger every time that I see you.
I keep trying.
Looking good,
I got time to eat.
I hear you. God. Mine's the opposite, that one meme. They're like, how's being a business owner? I'm like, a picture of like a 60-year-old man says, great, I'm 32 years old and never better. Say what? How you doing?
Good to see you. Good to see you hanging out.
Oh yeah.
Hanging out here, helping out where I can.
Just doing what we can, providing some shade to Booster Boys. Just hang out. It is way too hot. Way too hot. About to grab me a Boosted Boy straw hat right now.
Yeah, probably owe you one for the tent.
No, you're good.
I'll get you one real quick.
You're fine. Tie right here. Boosted Boys. Did a good job on this paint. That's pretty nice. We got Chase Matthews right here.
take the trophy home, bro.
Oh, you got this, bro. You got this.
They're gonna be real surprised when I sing an E flat on their ass on the finish line.
Welcome to Freedom 500. I've been here for 4 years. I've led a lot of laps. My best finish is
Travis
second
Pistuana.
today, and I have $5.
I've never heard of him.
Beat him in the event. I have $1 to beat him in qualifying, and of course, there is a
Look at these guys go. They are ripping. So Travis Pastrana wins the race, wins a Z06, immediately spray paints it, and is doing donuts. So when the Freedom Factory needs another truck to haul around trailers, we get out our truck and we haul around trailers. What's up, guys? It is the day of Burnout Rivals right now. We got Klaus polished up. He's looking real good. He is running relatively well. We changed out some ignition coils actually for some Duralast coils. And it's working. It's working pretty well. So we're getting ready. We got about an hour till skid time right now. We're getting ready. We're going through. We got the merch booth right here. We got Frosty the ice cream truck. T is for turbo. We got a supercharged R34. We got everyone. We got Sean hanging out right here. You know, doing his thing. He's gonna do the roar.
Fuck's sakes.
Fuck's sakes, man. And of course we got R3. Well, part of R3. Wherever they're at. We're gonna get to it. We got drivers meeting going on. Stay tuned.
You see him like put his hands up and you know what to do.
That's what you call mangled up.
So we're filming this after what you guys just saw because it was instantly we had to get in the car and suit up. I got a special passenger today. We got Sean. You know him.
No way.
Fuck's sake, guys. Telling you. Legend right here riding with me. He just went for his first professional skid out there. What'd you think about it?
It was pretty wild. Like, I've done some nasty burnouts, but nothing like that. That's pretty crazy.
It was fun. Of course, took him for a ride in Klaus. He loved it.
This thing's crazy.
He told me he's going to be building his own burnout car and competing with us, and I can't wait for it. But
Yeah, we'll be back. We'll
thanks
be here
again.
with something.
I appreciate you, brother.
Awesome.
We'll see you.
blew up another one of those. So yeah. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay.
What an event, guys. Seriously. Picture perfect event. Besides, I mean, we didn't win. Klaus did good. Klaus didn't break. I call that a win. What do you say, Brandon?
Yeah, I mean,
He didn't break.
He didn't win, but he didn't break, so that's definitely a win.
That's a good thing. We don't got to push him up the trailer.
Yeah, it wasn't gonna push it.
No. Ethan didn't have to work on the car all weekend.
No.
That's a win.
That was a win.
Such a great event. Frosty did not win. Frosty did not have a great weekend.
We're not talking about that.
We don't talk about Bruno right now. Oof. But yeah, what can you do? It was a great event, guys. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one. Balls are out.
You really want to know?
Yeah.
The answer is, you motherfucker!